So this is a pretty new site. Ever since we were here, we saw when this was actually all rocks to this actually being constructed out to now it says Vortex. So it's actually quite easy to find yourself to Vortex now. And that is where I am going on a solo trip. So I've made it here to the cave, and I'm gonna try to just have uncut raw video of me just basically going in. So let's go for it. Make sure there's no snakes or anything. I don't see it. No, I don't see anything yelling at me yet. Okay. Heads on. Yeah, we don't need dead blocks. And really the best way to go through this is just kind of go backwards. That's here every time. I need to pick that out. Yeah, one of these days I need to just do a garbage clean because not a lot of people come in here. So we're going to go into there today, and I'm going to try to push underneath that today. So let's go ahead and get ourselves into that block. Yeah, and I see what Andrew's saying. He doesn't want to get stuck on that thing. Yeah, that would suck. There's definitely a room held together by love. Okay, that's the next room I was seeing. Okay. Oh. And we got a whole other room back here that just keeps going. Oh. Wow. I mean, it just keeps kind of going. I think that way I'm going to go feet first and get my body turned around. Definitely everything in here is super tight. Okay. Oh. Goes two ways. Ain't that spooky? And it just keeps going down. There's the aquifer. Oh, I do not want to get stuck in this room. Oh, yeah, that's straight up water right there. Wow. That's the aquifer. Wow. Okay. It is tight on this thing. Just goes down to the water. Not the safest place to be. And I think that just comes out the other end. Get me out of this death trap. Yeah. Sucks. Oh. Oh. We went over there last time, and I think that is the actual way out. Oh no. So that looks like a bunch of breakdown on the other side. You gotta go out this way. Yeah, I can finally put my helmet on. Jeez. Yeah, that was a push. And that's our way out. All right. This was another cool area that we never got to see last time, but as Andrew said, it does get pretty squishy, and I don't think it really leads to anywhere. And then there's that other room. Let's go check that out. This is a pretty interesting room. It's got a lot of fossils and shells inside of it, which kind of just give this room its own beauty. You can see the fissure. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think that actually goes anywhere. I think that just a whole bunch of bubblies, and that definitely doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see how far we can squish through this room, which I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, look at that. See, some of these holes are super misleading. And that kind of goes up into something, which I'll take my helmet off. Looks like it could turn left. maybe go up right. But I'm going to say that that's starting to go uphill. And we don't necessarily want to go uphill. Cool little squish. Yeah, a lot of these rooms are held together by love, and it scares me to be in them. All right, we did great for a little short trip. I mainly came out here so I can see if I can find any more caves out in Vortex. And then I was like, oh, I'll push a couple rooms, which we did, and we did great. We got dirty. Yeah, the crazy thing about this cave is once you think you've done it, there's so much more to go. Kind of including this room that goes down. And I haven't really seen anywhere that it goes other than a whole bunch of beer bottles and stuff. But there could be possibilities. But like I said, what I love about this cave is that and then that room is scary. I'm not quite sure that that goes down. Ooh. That goes left and that goes in. So we've taken that before. I don't see any other hidden lines. Yeah. Look at that ancient shell right there. Yeah. It's a real crazy area. I do not want to push that today. I remember getting into this thing last time. It was like, what the hell? I'm pretty sure coming out of this would be much easier than coming into this, because you have this dumb rock that's kind of split in your way. Ooh. I barely make my shoulder through, but I did. So good for us. Yeah, last time going in here, it's like full of glass and beer bottles. Whew. Oh. Ooh, and a wine bottle. Alright, I'm pretty sure that cleaned up most of the glass that was blocking that area. There's still glass over here, but yeah, that's definitely nowhere to go. I don't see anything else going that way. Whew. Amazing. This area looks pretty cool too. All right, let's get out of here. Let's close up the pack. Put the big light away. We'll move on up. All right, we're out. Sick. Thanks everybody for watching. Oh, let's go find some more caves.